everyone. Welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So I'm in my car, in my driveway, and I'm about ready to head out to the American Dream Mall in New Jersey. This is now the largest mall on the East Coast. It is tremendous. It has an indoor water park, I think a ski slope, I think mountain climbing, not quite sure, or rock climbing, whatever. Not quite sure. I do know that it's taken years, I think like 15 years, maybe even 20 years in the making to build this thing. It's finally up. It's by the Meadowlands where Giant Stadium is, and I'm going to check it out. I have not heard good things about the shopping there. It's more of an entertainment center, but I need to check it out for myself. There is an Every Eve there, and you can be sure I'm going to stop in. So I'm going to show some videos of the mall so you can get an idea of what it's like, and I'll give you my review of the mall, whether or not I think it might be worth somebody's trip to come out here and check it out. All right, give me a minute, and I should be there. Well, it took me a little bit more than a few minutes. It took me about an hour to get here. This part of New Jersey is very different than the part of New Jersey where I live, even though it's only an hour away. It is very industrial, very congested. You're right across from New York. You're going to see a lot of swamplands due to the, I guess, the little river inlets and flows from the Hudson River. You know, I had to pay in the parking garage, so I had to grab a ticket, and I'm about to go inside, and I need to make sure I remember where I park, because this is a huge mall. I saw it off the turnpike, and it has like a giant Ferris wheel on the outside of the mall, and another time I passed here, we saw a slide actually like exit the building and come around back into the building. So it is an enormous place. That much I do know, but I'm here to shop. So I'll try and take you along with me. I'm actually recording this so I remember where I park. I'm on level 1C. All right, I'm about ready to go in. Hi everyone. First I must apologize for a couple of reasons. First, I didn't realize when I was filming, I wasn't paying attention. I was filming vertically versus horizontally. So I'm sorry you're seeing this little small screen here. Second, when I was filming, I was talking through the mall the entire time, explaining things to you, but then when I played it back when I was home, I realized they had background music and I had to actually mute it out because otherwise I would get in trouble from YouTube. So what did you think of the mall? I have to tell you, I was quite surprised. The space is huge. However, I would say probably only 25%, if that, of the retail space is even used up in the mall. I can see them definitely struggling. In case you don't know, but New Jersey has a lot of great malls. Garden State Plaza, the mall at Short Hills. For them to build this enormous mall up there by the Meadowlands and make it like an entertainment center, you know, they really have to attract of the crowds, I guess, for the entertainment aspect of it in order for people to come. It was a beautiful mall, but it was pretty much empty. And as you saw, there's still scaffolding in the middle, and not a little bit of scaffolding, a lot, like a significant. I almost was thinking maybe the thing was holding up the roof. The entire third floor was like empty except for DSW and Old Navy. Again, they had a lot of equipment and stuff in the middle there. They had the Saks open, but you know, Saks is a little bit out of my price range. There were no department stores other than that one. You know, Old Navy, Uniqlo, H&M, Mango, and Zara were the big attractions there as far as shopping. Of course, there wasn't every Eve, you saw that, and of course I stopped in and the saleswoman was very helpful. To give you an idea, I took off of work on Friday and I walked the mall from about 10:30. The mall does not open till 11. I was there at 10:30 and I stayed till about 2:30. But you see, I tried hard not to get people in the video, but you can see it wasn't very crowded at all. Granted, it was on a Friday versus a weekend, but I honestly, unless they really start promoting it and really put some incentives for the retailers to come in there, I'm not sure how they're going to do it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, why not? It helps me out. Give this video a thumbs up. That also helps me out. And if you haven't, click that notification bell, that helps as well too. Get notified of future videos from me. And I will have a shopping haul coming up. Take care, and until next time.